Hello Flowcrafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we are trying to recreate another iconic piece from the 1989 HeroQuest set, the fireplace. The fireplace is a key element in any dungeon setup. It represents warmth, light, rest, and can bring a sense of solemnity and importance to any room it's placed in. I imagine dark and damp dungeons that, suddenly, as a door creaks open, are bathed in the warm, flickering glow of firelight, while the crackling of the logs breaks a silence that had become almost oppressive. Pure emotion. The fireplace we are building today is based on a very simple concept. It should span 3 inches in length and have a completely flat backside so it can be easily placed against the wall. I'm using graphics medium chipboard as a base, and I start cutting small pieces of XPS foam. The structure is symmetrical but absolutely free of precise measurements. I'm going by my own personal taste, both in proportion and overall aesthetic. This isn't meant to be a copy of the original HeroQuest fireplace, but rather a personal interpretation, better suited to a variety of settings beyond just HeroQuest. After the classic brickwork technique, I begin constructing the mantle, which needs to have character and give the impression of being both massive and elegant. The images speak from themselves, but I'd like to point out how overlapping geometric elements of different sizes adds a dynamic feel to the piece. XPS foam is easy to engrave with a pen, so it feels natural to add decorative elements. Couple of orc skulls, and that's it. A couple of screws add extra weight. This step ensures the piece remains stable on the game board. This technique for creating 3D flames with hot glue is really interesting. I recommend using white hot glue, which provides an excellent translucent base for later painting. The trick is to use non-stick baking paper and shape the flames with the hot tip of the glue gun. This technique also works great when paired with a tea light underneath, but in that case I suggest using clear hot glue instead. The principle is to create 2D flame shapes, which are then assembled to form a three-dimensional fire effect. Painting was simple and pretty straightforward. The only noteworthy detail is the use of a deep green and smoke black underneath the dry brush to create realistic shades for an old and well-used fireplace. I used some scenic elements I had in my arsenal, and the piece is done. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!